welcome back. A commercial airliner crashed into a densely populated neighborhood in Nigeria's largest city, killing all 153 people on board and others on the ground in the worst air disaster in nearly 2 decades for the troubled nation. The cause of the Dana air crash yesterday night remained unknown as firefighters and police struggled to put out the flames around the wreckage. President Goodluck Jonathan later declared 3 days of national mourning in Africa's most populous nation.
It's simply too much to take in at one time, really. Ordinary people trying to earn a living, ending up so tragically and untimely. The families, the pilot, his crew, young Nigerians whose life has been so drastically and suddenly cut short. It's a very, very traumatic and painful experience.
Moving on, a spiritual expert in Assam has described the new design symbol of the rupee as inauspicious and held it responsible for the depreciating value of the rupee and economic downfall. An expert in the ancient Hindu doctrine of architecture, Rajkumar Janjari, said that the lower horizontal line in the symbol has slit the throat of the Indian rupee, leading to its slide.
वास्तुशास्त्र में प्रतीकों को काफी महत्व दिया जाता है। रुपये का जब यह प्रतीक भारत सरकार ने स्वीकार किया था और उसके बाद इसका प्रयोग शुरू किया था, तभी मैंने इस बात का मुझे अध्ययन करके पता चला कि रुपये का सिंबल भारत की अर्थनीति के लिए बहुत ही घातक सिद्ध हो सकता है। इस मामले की गंभीरता को देखते हुए मैंने इस संदर्भ में प्रधानमंत्री जी को एक पत्र लिखा गत 12 जनवरी को कि रुपये का ये प्रतीक सरकार को उपयोग में नहीं लाना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही भारत की अर्थनीति के लिए घातक साबित हो सकता है। इस पत्र को मैंने माननीय केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री साहब को और रिजर्व बैंक के गवर्नर साहब को भी मैंने इसकी प्रतिलिपि दी थी और स्थानीय गुवाहाटी के जो रिजर्व बैंक के जोनल जो मैनेजर हैं उनको भी मैं खुद जाके वहां पर एक कॉपी दे के आया था उनको। लेकिन मुझे अफसोस है इस बात का कि सरकार ने इस संदर्भ में कुछ भी महत्व नहीं, इस बात को जरा भी महत्व नहीं दिया और जिसका परिणाम यह हुआ कि पिछले 5 महीनों में भारत की अर्थनीति गिरते गिरते एकदम रसातल पर आ चुकी है।
If the government wants me to make the changes, probably I'd be really happy to do it. But I don't think it is necessary now because it's already been in all the currency notes and everywhere. It's already registered in the people's mind. Suddenly changing up the design would really hamper the design. And initially, even when I designed it, I had designed it with the concept, with an idea, with the philosophy behind it. And it is based on that the government has actually accepted the symbol. So now I don't think there is any reason for that to change. And now, as I said, it is up to the government to make whatever decisions has to be done. But I'll be happy with whatever decisions that the government takes.
With that, we come to the end of this bulletin. Stay tuned to NDTV Hindu for more news and updates.